As a CPA, your time is your product. See how Hellobooks cuts client onboarding from hours to minutes. Get started in seconds. Enter your name, email, and password to create your account. Click Sign Up and you're in. After sign up, click Onboarding to start setting up your CPA firm. Choose CPA firm mode to manage multiple clients under one practice. Select your country and enter your firm name, email, and contact number. Enter company basic info. Enter the client's registered address, street, city, state, and zip. Set the conversion date, financial year end, industry, and accounting method. Review your setup and click. Continue to move to the next step. Let Hellobooks build a professional chart of accounts tailored to your client's industry. Hellobooks auto-generates accounts for assets, liabilities, revenue, and expenses. Everything looks good. Move on to connecting the bank account. Add the client's bank account name, number, and currency. Bank account saved. Now set the opening balances. Enter opening balances for accounts receivable, payable, and other key accounts. Click Next to save the balances. First client fully onboarded. Welcome to your CPA practice dashboard. Your dashboard is ready. Add more clients, track compliance, and manage everything from one place. Access your practice settings from the profile menu. Open View Practice to see all your client organizations. Drill into your firm to see every client entity under it. See all your client books in one place, or add a new entity to onboard another client.